Serve hot with naan or chapati, a true taste of Pakistan in every bite.
Today, we're making one of Pakistan's most loved dishes, Chicken Karahi. Spicy, flavorful, and absolutely mouth-watering.
Let's start with the ingredients. Heat oil in a karahi or deep pan. Add ginger garlic paste and saute for a few seconds until fragrant.
Heat oil in a karahi or deep pan. Add ginger garlic paste and saute for a few seconds until fragrant.
Now add the chicken pieces and fry until they turn light golden from all sides.
Add chopped tomatoes, red chili powder, turmeric, salt, coriander seeds, and cumin. Mix well.
Cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame until the chicken becomes tender and the oil separates.
Garnish with fresh coriander and ginger slices. Your delicious chicken karahi is ready to serve.
Serve hot with naan or chapati, a true taste of Pakistan in every bite.